Hello students. So today I'm going to discuss the question answer of your chapter 11, and in this chapter I already given you 4 videos. In that videos I covered the topics like wind, breeze, storm, air has direction, air has speed, air has force, air is useful, and clean air. These all topics I already covered in that videos. So today I am going to discuss about the question answer of this chapter 11. So first of all, I am going to discuss the fill in the blanks. That is, first one is dash question, fill in the blanks. So in that, your first question is, breeze is the moving wind that blows dash. So what you will feel here, breeze is the moving wind that blows gently. That's very easy and simple that you can feel here. Wind is the moving wind that blows gently. Now next, we need to breathe dash and dash air. So what you will feel here, we need to breathe clean and fresh air. Okay, now force of wind can dash the trees. So what you will feel here, force of wind can uproot the trees. That I already told you that wind has air has force, and when it blows very strong, then it can uproot the trees and blow the roof of the kacha houses. Okay, now next, wind carries the dash of plants very far places. Wind carries the seeds of plants very far off places. Okay, next, air becomes dirty because of dash and harmful dash. So that's very simple, air becomes dirty because of dust and harmful gases that is released by caused by smoke of vehicles, factories and crackers. Now this fill in the blanks completed. Then B, tick the correct answer. So here your first question is that when do we feel air? So 2 options are given, when it moves, and second one is that when it is still. So when you can feel air, when it moves, because when air moves then we can feel that oh, air is moving. We can't see air, we can feel air. Now second, what is a storm? So 2 options are given, it is wind blowing gently, it is wind blowing very fast. So which one is correct? It is wind blowing very fast. Okay, because the wind that blows gently, that is called breeze, not storm. Now next one, how do we know the direction of wind? So your 2 options are movement of branches of trees, second, movement of water in our tap. So what you can write here, movement of branches of trees. Okay, not water in our tap. How water in our tap shows the direction? So movement of the branches of trees is the correct answer. You have to tick on that, and it shows us the direction of wind. Now your next question is that what happens if we breathe in dirty air? So I discussed these all things, that if we breathe impure and dirty air, then we can fall sick. Maybe that it causes diseases inside our body. Okay, especially it affect our lungs, our respiratory organs. So second, then 2 options are given here, we become healthy or we can fall sick. So if we breathe in dirty air, we can fall sick is the correct answer. Now, why should we grow plants around us? So 2 options are given here, to keep air fresh and clean, to make air dirty. So first option is correct, to keep air fresh and clean, because we all know that plants keep the air fresh and clean. Now, the next is that, okay, then your B question, take the correct answer, completed. Now, the next is that, C, write 4 uses of air. So what are the 4 uses of air? Simply you can write that air helps the yachts to sail. Okay, air helps to move the blades of the windmill. This one you can write. And One more you can write that air carry the seeds from one place to another place. This one also you can write. Air helps the hot air balloon to rise in the sky. That one also you can write. Okay, so these all are the things that you can write. Okay, very simple. Now day, discuss in class. So what you have to discuss in class, how are we making air dirty by cutting down the trees? If we cut down the trees, how we are making the air dirty? That's very easy and simple. You can discuss very easily that if we cut the trees, that how from where we get the fresh air. Okay, so and if we will not get the fresh and clean air, then the amount of impure and dirty air will increase, and the amount of pure and clean air will decrease, and in this way it makes we are making the air dirty. Now second, what attempts can you make to keep the air clean? So what attempts can you make? Nothing, simply you have to do that. Say no to crackers, don't use crackers, plant trees. Okay, use bicycle or travel by foot. If you have to go very short distance, if you have to cover very short distance, these all things. Now 3, if you see a lot of smoke coming out of the vehicle your father is driving, what you will do? Then you can convince your father that please don't use always vehicle. If you have to cover a short distance also, then you use vehicle, that is wrong. Okay, in this way you can convince your father. Now diary's web chart. So moving air, wind, breeze, storm, uses of wind, flying kites, flying aeroplanes, and drying the clothes. Dirty air, smoke from vehicles, smoke from factories, and smoke from crackers. These all you have to study. Okay, so in this way you can complete these all question answer. That's all a very simple fill in the blanks with the correct answer, and these all some questions and web chat. So you can do it yourself, go through the video and try to complete this question answer. Okay, thank you.